So let's have a look to the previous year WBJE rank versus mark. Starting from the year 2018, a student securing 140 plus marks fetched a rank under 100. The marks ranging from 130 to 140 fetched a student rank around 101 to 200. For marks 120 to 129, it was 201 to 500. For 110 to 119, it was around 501 to 700, and for 100 to 109, it was around 701 to. Now a student scoring below 100, that is 99 to 90, fetched a rank around 1000 to 2500, and as we go down we can see that a little difference in the mark can land you up 500 rank above or below someone else. So from 2018's trend we can easily see that as you go lower down the marks tally, each and every mark would count a lot and would make a difference of around 500 to 1000 rank. So now let's analyze the rank versus marks for WBJE 2019. So as you can see, a student attaining 140 plus marks secured a rank under 100. For the range 130 to 140, it was around 101 to 300. For the range 120 to 129, the rank varied from 301 to 700. In the marks ranging from 110 to 119, rank was around 701 to 1000. Suddenly from the range 101 to 109, the rank difference dropped steeply, ranging from 1000 to 2500, and it can be seen that the rank difference increases down the table even for the slightest change in the marks, which was not so much in the previous year, that is the WBJE 2018. The reason behind it was the toughness of the WBJE 2019 paper, which was on the easier side, resulting in a high marks versus rank table. So now we come to the WBJE 2020 rank versus marks tally. Here we can see that students attaining marks above 125 fetched rank under 100. Marks ranging from 125 to 110 fetched rank around 101 to 300. Marks around 109 to 100 fetched rank in the range 301 to 400. Marks ranging from 99 to 90, the students ranked around 401 to 675. Marks ranging from 89 to 80, the rank was around 676 to 1000. And as we go down, we can see rank versus marks tally goes on steeping down, but the difference was not as high as the previous years, and the marks was not as high as of 2019-18, as the WBJE 2020 paper was on the tougher side, which resulted in a low but highly competitive rank versus marks tally. So finally, we will analyze and discuss about the expected rank versus marks for WBJE 2021. Before starting the tally, let me clear one point, that this expected marks versus ranks tally for WBJE 2021 has been prepared as per the question level being moderate, not too easy, not too tough. Has been calculated intermediate the previous 3 years WBJE cutoffs, that is 2018, 2019 and 2020. So starting with the tally, if a student can score above 135, then his or her rank would be under 100. A student scoring between the range 135 to 125 will fetch a rank around 101 to 350. Marks ranging between 125 to 115 will fetch you a rank about 351 to 500. Marks between 115 to 100 will fetch you a rank around 501 to 850. Marks around 100 to 90 would fetch you around a rank between 851 to 1200. Marks lying in the range of 90 to 80 will fetch you a rank of around 1200 to 3600. Marks in the range 80 to 70 will fetch you a rank around 3600 to 7500. Marks in the range 70 to 60 would surely fetch you a rank in the range 7500 to 10,000. Now as we go down, we can easily see that rank difference for each mark would be very high, as follows. From the marks ranging from 60 to 50, a person would rank around 10,000 to 16,000. A person attaining marks 50 to 35 would fetch a rank around 16,000 to 40,000. A student attaining marks between the range 35 to 15 would rank around 40,000 to 70,000, and a student attaining marks between 0 to 15 would rank around 70,000 to 85,000. So finally, before ending the video, I would like to wish all the WBJ 2021 aspirant the very best of luck for their upcoming exams on 17 July 2021. Keep calm, stay healthy and stay happy.